When it comes to spices that pack a punch in terms of flavor and health benefits, clove certainly stands out. This small but mighty spice is renowned for its distinct aroma and rich flavor, but it also boasts an impressive array of health benefits. Its potent antioxidant properties to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, clove has been used for centuries in traditional medicine practices. In this video, we delve into the surprising health benefits of clove and why you should consider incorporating it into your daily routine. 1. Powerful antioxidant. Clove is a powerful of antioxidants, composites that cover our cells from damage caused by dangerous free revolutionaries. The spice is particularly rich in phenolic composites similar as eugenol, which has been shown to retain strong antioxidant parcels. By negativing free revolutionaries, clove helps reduce oxidative stress, which has been linked to multitudinous habitual conditions similar as heart complaint, cancer, and aging. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a natural response by the body to protect against injury and infection. Still, habitual inflammation can contribute to the development of various diseases. Clove contains compounds like eugenol and flavonoids, which exhibit potent anti-inflammatory properties. Research has shown that these compounds can help reduce inflammation within the body, potentially benefiting conditions such as arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and respiratory disorders. 3. Oral health. Clove has long been recognized for its oral health benefits. Its natural antiseptic properties make it an effective remedy for toothaches, gum infections, and oral ulcers. Eugenol, the primary compound in clove, acts as a local anesthetic and has analgesic properties that help alleviate toothache pain. Additionally, clove oil and its active compounds have been used in dental procedures and mouthwashes for their antibacterial and antifungal effects, which can help combat oral infections. 4. Digestive aid. Clove has traditionally been used to support digestion. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which aids in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. Additionally, clove has carminative properties, meaning it can help relieve gas and bloating. The spice may also help alleviate symptoms of gastrointestinal disorders such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. However, it's important to note that excessive consumption of clove can have adverse effects, so moderation is key. 5. Potential anticancer properties. Emerging research suggests that clove may possess anticancer properties. Studies have demonstrated that the spice's bioactive compounds exhibit anticancer effects in various cancer cell lines, including breast, ovarian, liver, and colorectal cancers. High antioxidant content of clove plays a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals and reducing DNA damage, potentially inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. However, more research is needed to understand the full extent of clove's anticancer potential. Conclusion: when it comes to spices that pack a punch in terms of flavor and health benefits, clove certainly stands out. This small but mighty spice is renowned for its distinct aroma and rich flavor. But it also boasts an impressive array of health benefits. Its potent antioxidant properties to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, clove has been used for centuries in traditional medicine practices.